In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme on Samsung tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you the best way to customize the theme that you have applied on your Samsung tablet. Because Samsung themes is not widely available for Samsung tablets at the moment, you will have to look into the alternative that I'm going to show you in this video. This alternative is an application which is made by Samsung themselves, and it allows you to customize a lot of aspects about the theme that you are using on your Samsung tablet, regardless of the model. So the app that you have to use is Good Lock. So you can go over to the Samsung store and look for Good Lock, or you can even check the Google Play Store itself, but I would recommend going over to the Samsung store if possible. Then once you find Good Lock, just download it from the Samsung store. If it isn't available in your region, then you will have to look into alternatives that might share a similar name, and as long as they have theme customization features, you will be able to get this done. Now, on Good Lock, on the main menu that you can see over here at the top left, you will be able to find Theme Park. Easily and quickly create and apply themes. So as the name suggests, this is where we will be able to change the theme that is currently applied to any Samsung tablet. So you choose the option to go into the Theme Park, and you will see the main options at the bottom. So you can change the theme, you can customize the keyboard, quick panel, icon, and even the volume panel. You can change the colors and the shapes of all of these. So as you can see in this example, I chose the option to create a new theme, and now it's giving me the customization options. So I have a black wallpaper in this example, so it gives me colors that are based on that wallpaper. Of course, you can customize the colors if you prefer, but the app will try to match the color of the wallpaper that you are using. This way, you will have a better experience and a more immersive theme. So you can choose the highlights here. You can individually customize the background color, the highlight color, the button colors, and so on. And then all that you have to do is save this as one of the themes that you have available. Once it is saved, it will appear on the list, and you can choose to use any of them at any point. I hope I was able to help you on how to change theme on Samsung tablet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.